Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is bringing you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone won't obtain an IP address. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. My Android device can connect to Wi-Fi normally. However, my wife's phone frequently fails to obtain an IP address. The connection is intermittent. We've never encountered this problem before. Do you have any suggestions on how to fix the Android phone not obtaining IP address error? We understand you might be facing the same issues. Don't panic if your Android phone is saying, failed to obtain IP address. To help you, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem and get your device working again. Cause 1. Poor signal. The solution is to restart your router. The router is crucial for Wi-Fi signal strength. A poor Wi-Fi signal might be due to the router having been used for an extended period, causing problems that can prevent the Android phone from obtaining an IP address. Therefore, to resolve this issue, try restarting your router. You can unplug the router, wait 1 minute, and then plug it back in. Afterward, wait patiently for the router to restart, which often takes several minutes. Cause 2. Network connection problem. The solution is to reconnect to Wi-Fi. The failed to obtain IP address on Android phone error is more likely related to the router, but you can still try reconnecting to Wi-Fi. Please forget your current Wi-Fi network on the Wi-Fi screen, wait 1 minute, and then reconnect to Wi-Fi. After doing this, check if the problem of not being able to obtain an IP address is resolved. Cause 3. Software issue. The solution is to restart your device. Restarting your device can effectively resolve many software issues, including the Android phone won't get IP address on Wi-Fi problem. So restarting your device is worth a try. To restart your Android phone, press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears. Then tap the restart icon and wait for the restart to complete. After restarting, check if your Wi-Fi connection is working properly. If it is, it indicates that the can't obtain IP address on Android phone issue was caused by a software problem. Cause 4. Network issue. The solution is to turn on airplane mode. Airplane mode prevents your Android device from connecting to any network. If the Android phone obtaining IP address stuck problem is caused by a network issue, turning on airplane mode may fix it. To enable airplane mode, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the top toolbar, and then swipe again to display the full toolbar. Here, please find and turn on airplane mode, wait 1 minute, and then turn it off. Sometimes this will solve the problem. Cause 5. Settings issue. The solution is to change network encryption settings and disable MAC address filtering. WPA and AES encryption types may be incompatible with some Android phones. If this is the reason for the server IP address could not be found in Android error, you can try changing the network encryption settings in your router's web management interface. Most routers have IP addresses of 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. If this is not the cause of the Android phone couldn't get IP address error, then MAC address filtering is likely the culprit. Only devices on the MAC whitelist can connect to the network. If your device is not on the whitelist, it cannot connect. Therefore, please disable MAC address filtering in your router's web management interface. Cause 6. Other app influence. The solution is to clear the Google Play Services cache. Google Play Services run in the background on your Android phone, and if this app is causing network problems, an Android phone failing to obtain an IP address might be due to excessive network bandwidth being consumed when services automatically update all apps on the phone. Therefore, you need to check and clear the Play Store cache. Here's how. Open your phone's settings, then find and tap the apps option. In the app list, find and tap the Play Store app, then find and tap cache on the new screen. Finally, you'll see the clear cache option at the bottom of the screen. Tap it immediately and wait for it to complete. Then try connecting to the network normally again. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix the IP address error on Android, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.